Marriage in the United States. Marriage in the United States is a legal, social, and religious institution. The legal recognition of marriage is regulated by individual states. Each of the sets an age of majority at which individuals are free to enter into marriage solely on their own consent, as well as in what ages minors are able to marry with parental and or judicial consent. Marriage laws have changed considerably during United States history, including the removal of bans on interracial marriage and same-sex marriage in 2009. There were two 077,000 marriages according to the Census Bureau. The median age of the first marriage has increased in recent years. The median age in the early 1970s was 21 for women and 23 for men, and it rose to 26 for women and 28 for men by 2009. Marriage vary considerable in terms of religious, socio-economic status, age, commitment, and so forth. Reasons for marrying men including a desire to have children, love, or economic security. Marriage has been a means in some instances to acquire citizenship by getting a green card. The Immigration Marriage Fraud Amendments of 1986 established a law to punish such instances in 2003. 184,741 immigrants were admitted as spouses of United States citizens. Marriage can be terminated by annulment, divorce, or death of spouses. Divorce, known as dissolutions of marriage in some states. Laws vary by state and address issues such as how the two spouses divided their property, how children will be cared for, and support obligations on one spouse towards the other. In the last 50 years, divorce has become more prevalent. In 2005, it was estimated that 20% of marriage would end in divorce within 5 years. Divorce rate is 2005 were four times in divorce rates in 1955, and quarter of children less than 16 years old are released by step-parent. A marriage that end in divorce last for a median of 8 years for both men and women. As a rough rule, marriage has more legal ramifications than other types of bonds between consenting adults. A civil union is a formal union between two people or the same or of different genders which results in but falls short of marriage like rights are obligations. According to one view, domestic partnerships are a version of civil union. Registration and recognition are function of states, localities, or employees. Such union may be available to couple of the same sex and sometimes opposite sex. Cohabitation is when two unmarried people who are in an intimate relationships live together. Thank you. Subscribe please.